Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I am going to explain the query that how can I collect interest or where can I see the collected interest. To collect interest, you have to receive an installment. The installment typically has three components, and that is principal, interest and fees. Okay, so when you collect the interest, or when you receive an installment, basically the fees gets collected first, then the interest, and then the principal. Let me quickly tell you how you can collect interest so you can follow these steps to collect the interest. To collect the interest, you can either do it through here, field collection, loan collection list. Okay, you will see that today's collection. Okay, let me just quickly create a loan so we can see the collection here. So I'm just quickly creating one loan for today, so you where the installment is due today. Okay, okay, now if you see field collection, loan collection list, you will see that you can do the receiving of the interest from here, from field collection, loan collection list. Okay, if it's a deposit collection, you can click on deposit collection list here. Now I have no deposits created. Okay, or there are other ways also to do this. You can search for the customer through his name, or through mobile number, or through file number, or through there are other ways also. For example, if you click here on search here, it will tell you the different ways that you can search for the customer. In the customer, there's passbook. You can click on passbook. Now you know which collection you have to do. Say you want to do for loan number 2. Click on loan number 2. Okay, and then you can do this by cash or bank. Say you're doing by cash, you can receive this 933 from here. You can click on receive, or as I said, you can do it from loan collection list also. Now because I have already received this 933, that's why it's not showing here in loan collection list. Now where can you see this collected interest? You will be able to see it in business summary. If you have done the collection through cash, so you will be able to see it in cash here. You will see interest received is 100 and principal received is 833. If you want to see only the interest received, you can go here in collection, daily collection. Okay, you can refresh this and you will see you will see the bifurcation, how much principal and how much interest is you have received. Or you can do by collection by day also here and refresh this. Here you will see that interest on 29th is 133, and this daily collection also will give you the interest that you have collected on a particular day. Or there's another way, that is business summary. You can see here in account statement, you will see the ledger interest received. Here interest received, you can click here and you will see, you will get a total report of the interest that you have received on a particular day, or if you want for a month, you can select your date range and get the interest received report here. So friends, this is how you can collect interest, by clicking on field collection, loan collection list, or by searching for the loan and then receiving the installment. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.